Samoa matalasi sio mia elesami atumaungana nulawada efewa Ethiopia watongata la Samoa la Fana boy evevela ao me ao alepopole emamulu mai elefa amole mole la Samoa la
Herbert, you listened to like the tips and advices we gave, like I felt like you connected with the song, gave us a performance, and I enjoyed that performance.
I really enjoyed listening to that song. It's been a while and I haven't listened to that song for a long time. And I think if someone's listening, they'll be very proud you sang that song very well. Vinaka.
Bula, Herbert. See, this is the beauty of the Pacific. We are all connected. And for people to take songs from other islands and appreciate other cultures. You know, we take so much time to sing songs that are outside of the Pacific. We take pride in them and, you know, we love to sing them. But it's one thing to sing our Pacific songs. Some of us are related to Tonga, Samoa, PNG, Solomon Islands. We should find our roots. And I think you have connected to Samoa as well? Yes. And I'm glad that these are your roots. Sing it with pride, and I hope that, you know, all the other Samoan families, friends, fans out there, that they would really love and appreciate this. I'm very emotional because I feel like you literally stood there not only as Fijian but as a Pacific Islander and also having connections to Samoa. I love the performance. Bro, keep it up.